It's not for sale, it's for rent.
Oh, for rent, excuse me, yes.
It needs a place to live. I can't imagine they're asking much for rent.
Or they're asking a lot, that's why it's still for rent. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom loft house with a big yard you have to mow.
Yeah.
With nowhere to keep.
To put a lawnmower.
With a trained neighbor, well, roommate, really.
Yeah, really. And the train does come through.
Oh, yeah, a lot.
There it is, right there.
There's your house, right there.
Right there. And that's your yard. Oh, no, there is a shed.
Yeah.
It's for rent. The train tracks are right here. And we are gonna go pick up another turd box. Yeah, we don't finish any project. We just get more and more and more of them and never finish any of them.
80% of the time, 100% of the time.
80% of the time we finish. 0% of the time. Alright, so we figure our lives out. We got a way better mount. We can turn that off now instead of running the battery all the way down. Your hair looks like you don't have much of a glass. What's the part of turn the damn thing off?
I gotta check my hair, man.
Seriously. There's a mirror right there. It has a light on it and everything. It's a Denali, dude.
Oh my god, my lights are better than that.
If you'll notice that it doesn't turn on all at one time because it's a Denali. So, this is fun in the morning.
Let's get back up. Yo, when I drove home one day, this was backed up. Oh, when I came home from looking at that car, this was backed up from this light all the way to that light. Just stop traffic.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's what it is in the morning. And I don't even know what the hell they're doing here. I mean, obviously they're putting some big ass pipes in, but what for?
Drainage.
Is that drainage? Because that doesn't look like no drainage pipe.
Nobody really does. This thing got an engine brake.
Yeah, that's what I just turned on. When I saw that when he popped right back out in front of me, that's when I hit it. So I didn't have to use all my brakes. Well, good.
Know what's going on.
This did I do this right?
Yeah, you did this right.
Or did I not do this right? I don't fucking know.
You did this right.
Nope, I did it wrong.
You did it wrong. That's okay.
I'm getting right back on. Kind of weird shit is this? Okay, no, we're not getting back on. I don't know where. Oh, wow. This is gonna be. Oh, yeah, it wants me to go do some weird shit up here.
What is that?
I don't know.
There's a stop sign up here. Watch out.
Yeah. It wants me to go up, flip a bitch, and then come back and go this way.
You can't make a left here.
I'm about to.
Oh, that's one way to make divided highway. You gotta go across that highway.
There now.
Oh god.
Oh.
You're good after this.
I was gonna say, how's it look that way?
A bunch of license plates.
Yep.
Okay. That was awful.
It's clear my way.
Well, that's a curve, so this isn't very safe. But after this car, you look like you're good to go. No one's driving crazy.
That was in the dry.
Oh my god.
She's so powerful. Power.
World may never know. I didn't come this way. That was so weird. What happened?
I know. It's like you gotta go this way and turn, and I'm like, okay. Oh, and that's the problem. We turned off the voice last time we did a trip, remember?
Oh, that's right.
That's why.
For the camera.
She didn't tell me what I was doing. Can I turn this way? I don't know what I'm about to.
Thank you. Somebody finally understands.
No, I don't understand. I just remember
Golly.
bullshit.
Someone made a comment about my hair.
was filming and you went to go do something underneath it. I was like, Jesus, look at this hair.
And Adams was like, he hasn't had hair in 6 years. He's gonna go straight. That's the make it right.
How far down that way is his place?
Right where that truck is, because that's the Audi.
Okay, so that's
With the
right
roof,
there.
with the roof rack on. All right, you're good. I can see the trailer.
Yeah, that's the thing. When I'm in a certain spot, I can't see the trailer. You know what I mean?
At least nobody parks on the street here.
Yeah.
Like my division, everybody's parked on the street. Back on campus, terrible quality now.
I'm sorry, it's not at 1080p.
Did you lose quality when they gave you a new one?
I don't think so.
I thought it was better than this.
I haven't looked at it in a while. Get that back to there.
Should be good right about here. I'll just want to get my jacket, get out, get my jacket and stuff.
Still leaking.
Perfect. Perfect.
This vehicle, a Audi A3 S line, fully loaded, leather interior, suede interiors, got the whole kit and caboodle. Sky roof and shit. The only issue with it is that it was in a minor front-end collision. Clean title. One car. That car is good, and it has good suspension. So,
I saw it, but we were cooking. There was no stopping it. Thank you for the airbags.
yeah, battery's gonna die in the camera. We're gonna take this thing home. We're gonna part sooner than later. We gotta get some stuff coming from other vehicles and dig into it. Right now, we're just looking for parts.
Yep.
You know anybody that wants to buy one?
$6,000.
Let us know.
I want to start off by saying sorry about the sound quality in this video. I didn't realize it was going to mess up so badly with the way we mounted the camera to the truck. So we'll figure that out going forward, but you know, we're still learning. We make mistakes, and that's one we won't make again. But this project's going to be a lot of fun. We've got a lot of parts to order for this thing, and it'll be our first fix and flip. We haven't really done anything like that. We've done a lot of fixing things for our own uses, but it's time for the shop to make a little bit of money. We need a new welder and some other things for the garage that would really be nice, and this car is going to afford those things for us. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and keep up with what's going on with the channel. We've got a lot of projects going on right now, which is why I'm bringing this to you on a new day, because we have so much going on right now and I got so much content to get through. I'm trying to get it out to you guys and get you guys caught up right now. But like I said, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll check you out in the next one.